This is the DJI NEO. Isn't it cute? But today, we're gonna really put it through its paces and try to stress it out. How does that sound to you, NEO? Wait, come back! So we're gonna try and trick the NEO using the follow mode. Chris and I are wearing similar shirts, similar hats, and similar sunglasses, and we're gonna duck behind a tree and have each of us come out in various states with the sunglasses, the hats, and the shirts, and see if it picks up on the same person that it started with, or if it immediately follows just the first person it sees. Let's see what happens. All right, so I'm in follow mode. I'm gonna hit start. It's got me locked in, and now I'm gonna walk. Gonna walk behind this big tree, and it can't see me now. It's looking for me, but I come out over here. Oh, wait, it found me. All right, I'm gonna walk behind this tree. So let's see. It can't see me now. Where am I? Oh, it found me again. All right, so Chris is gonna go hide behind the big tree over there, and when I walk behind it, Chris is gonna walk out and see if it picks up on him or if it knows the difference between us. My prediction is it will think he is me, my evil twin. So I'm walking, I'm walking, I'm walking, I'm walking, I'm walking. Boom, I'm behind the tree. Oh, no, wait. Oh, it stayed with me. Hold on. Yeah, I think I have to walk faster. All right, let's try it again. And I'm gonna walk fast, maybe even jog, and go behind the tree.
I'm right here. Let me go around. Hello. I'm Kelly.
It's got you, yeah. Now you go behind a tree, so you can't see it. It can't see you. So here I come. I come out. It locks onto me. Okay, take off the hat, the glasses, and the shirt. He's taking off his hat, glasses, and oh no, leave one shirt on, Chris. Oh, your pants. You don't need to take your pants off, Chris. Leave the pants on. Oh, underwear. All right, so go back behind that tree, and then I will come, and I will go quickly, and try to get behind it. Oh, it did not go with you. Nope. Oh, it picked you up right away.
Oh, okay. So let me try without the hat and sunnies, but with the shirt.
Okay.
Okay, hold on. Now you walk, get it back onto you.
Okay, it's back on me. Okay. All right, as I walk behind, you walk out.
Okay.
Okay.
It doesn't like that way. I'll have to go out this way.
Oh yeah, it's got you.
It just likes the shirt.
Yeah.
The shirt is the key.
I guess so. It must be locked on the color. I mean, they're not even exactly the same color.
They're pretty similar.
They're pretty close, so yeah.
Okay.
So let's see what happens if we stand right together.
Oh, did it get back onto you?
It's back on me. Now you walk in front of me.
Okay. Let me put on my...
No, it stayed on me.
Let me put on hat and sunglasses. Oh.
Wow. All right, now come stand in front of me and I'll walk away.
Okay.
Okay.
That's interesting.
Let me take off the hat and sunglasses.
Okay.
Nope. Staying with you.
Interesting.
All right, now you take off the hat and sunglasses.
Okay.
And then you move.
You don't remember? You imprinted on this guy.
Hi. Nope. We both go behind the tree. Go. Okay.
And
Then let's go out opposite directions.
okay.
1, 2, 3. Huh. I think it was more just aimed over towards that side.
It's not super smart.
Yeah, but I mean, the fact that it didn't fall for you with the different shirt. That was kind of cool.
The next little stress test we were curious about is if the Neo would keep doing an automated circle around Kelly and adjust if he moved a little bit off center.
Is it just gonna orbit around where you used to be? Okay, it might actually hit you. Oh, that's really weird. Whoa, what is it doing?
It's confused. It's waiting for me to come put my hand under it now. Maybe I moved too much.
Yeah,
Try
maybe.
it one more time, but not move as far.
Okay. We confused the poor little fella.
2 meters. Circle. 3.
And also, it might be confused by you.
Oh,
So maybe
yeah.
stay out of its.
Yeah.
So I'll take 1 step to the left. 2 steps to the left.
It's gonna hit you. How rude.
Hello.
So what seems to be happening is that the Neo is doing its automated circular flight path, but it is also trying to always face the subject. So when Kelly moved off center, it was trying to face him, but the flight path was not changed at all. I wanted to try pushing the speed limits of the Neo. In this test, I was going about 14 or 15 miles an hour, and it was pretty windy. And when I was riding into the wind, it struggled a little bit, but it did keep up with me, and I did not go much faster than 15 miles an hour. We have challenged the Neo and had fun with it over the past year and a half, especially when flying it in manual mode. For example, if we're flying it a little bit too fast and doing a quick yaw spin, it could start to lose control and wash out, as you just saw there. But knowing the limitations of this drone has been really helpful, and of course it's made for flying a little bit more gracefully. It's a lot of fun to fly, and since the Neo 2 just got released, we are hoping to get our hands on one in the near future. Until then, thanks for watching Ready Set Drone.